Hello, everyone. I'm staying at Vdara, and this is the Vdara Suite. Now, I know I've done a room tour of the Vdara Suite before, but this one's kind of a different layout, so I thought I would do another tour of this one. It's just the floor plan's a little bit different. But this is... But this is, I'm on the 50th floor. It's room 5003. And I'm standing here right at the door. So when you walk in, you have a view of the living room. And you've got, of course, your couch, chair, and there's a TV on the wall, a little dining room table. The couch does turn into a bed, and they have extra bedding for that in the closet in the bedroom. Then over here to your left is your kitchenette, and it's different than the regular Vdara rooms because it has seating for 4 rather than just 2. And I'm sorry, there's kind of a mess laid out. I've been living in the suite. They do provide real glasses, not plastic or paper. Caesars, pay attention. Nice table. You have a stove and a microwave. And then, of course, you do have that nasty mini fridge that, prices are exorbitant. And then there's actually a dishwasher. Now, they don't give you, like, dishwasher detergent, but I think you can ask for it. There are not... When you check in, there are not plates and things like that, but you can ask. So I asked them to bring up some kitchenware. I got some pots and pans. I did get some cups and bowls and a couple of plates. And I brought my own way to make coffee. They do not give you a coffee maker anymore. You can ask for one, but it's $10 or $20 a day. So that's a little much for me. I just bring my own little pour over. Since I have a way to heat the water, it works great. And then you have a full-size refrigerator, which is awesome. I mean, I don't keep a lot in it, but, I keep my creamer for my coffee, some cheese for cheese and crackers, that kind of thing. What's really nice is that you have filtered water. So you have filtered water that you can use to drink, make your coffee with, whatever. And then one of the really nice parts is a big freezer, but you have an ice maker, so you don't have to walk down the hall or to the next floor or whatever to get your ice, which is amazing. And then in here, you have a washer and dryer unit. And again, there's no washing soap here, but I believe that if you ask housekeeping, you can get some. And then right here next to the kitchen is a guest bath, which of course is, it's just a half bath. You have your toilet, have a single sink, but plenty for either if you have a guest stopping by, or if there's 2 of you and you both need to use the facilities in the morning, you're all set. All right, so back to the living room, and then over to your right is the bedroom. This is the king size. So you have the king size bed. TV again, so there's 2 TVs in the suite. The shades are down right now, so let me show you how to operate the shades. They are right here. You can push shade open, and it opens the shades. Same with the blackout, open. Opens the blackout. Very handy. Now, there's not an Alexa. I mean, it'd be nice if you wake up in the morning from the bed and say, Alexa, open the drapes, but no. There is still a phone. Of course, the only thing I really use that for is to call the bell desk. There's a couple of plugs there and some on the other side. My view is kind of the backside of the mountains. I can see Allegiant Stadium. Look kind of down the strip a little bit to Mandalay Bay. But hey, no matter where you are in Vegas, it's a beautiful view. And then there's some more plugs over here, and of course you have your the tablet, which I don't have on right now, but you can order room service there, order takeout for things like that. And then you have little reading lamps on either side, which does come in handy if you like to sit in bed and read. And then over here is a little desk area. If you do need to do some work, you have a desk and a chair. There is separate temperature control for the bedroom and the living room, which is also really nice. I mean, I've found sometimes if it's a really big room like this, just one isn't quite enough, and then it gets a little too warm in the bedroom, so this is great. And then a nice big closet with, like I said, extra bedding for the sofa bed. There's the safe, enough room to hang some things, and then another little closet over here with shelves if you need them. And then you have your drawers and things over on this side. And then off of the bedroom is the bathroom. You have a nice big walk-in shower. With a nice little seating bench. And then a double sink. Plenty of towels. They always give you plenty of towels, and they restock everything nicely when housekeeping comes. And then this beautiful, large, deep tub. So if you're someone who enjoys taking a nice bath at the end of the day, you are all set. Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions about the suite, just feel free to leave me a comment. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe and hit the like button for me, because then I will be able to keep providing you with lots of information and content. But it's definitely a nice suite. And if you are signed up for MGM Rewards and you happen to be a gold member, I actually booked just the basic studio parlor room. And being a gold member, they upgraded me to this suite at no extra charge. So that's always amazing. So if you do stay at an MGM property, make sure you sign up for the rewards card, because it's very helpful. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I will be back when I have some more. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.